this analyze in Excel, this particular option is available only in Power BI service. Okay, so for that we need to have an account in Power BI service. So let me just show you. So this is Power BI service, guys. Okay, so you need to have an account here. So when you export any reports from here, from the Power BI desktop, so you need to publish actually. Okay, are you able to see this option, publish? So under home, you have this publish option. So using this publish option, you need to export the work in Power BI from Power BI report to Power BI service. Okay, so we need to have an account in Power BI service. So there are free lookup time for having this service or account, and after that we need to have paid account. Okay, and here in the Power BI service, our emails like Gmail, Yahoo Mail, those kind of things are not accepted. You need to have organizational email ID. Okay, so we need to have that particular account in app.powerbi.com. Then we can publish from here. So this will be exported and it will sit in Power BI service. Okay, so here this Power BI service is cloud-based platform where we can host all our reports. Okay, as we have discussed in the initial sessions, in Power BI service we can create dashboards. Okay, that we will discuss tomorrow, but just be aware. So here I have few reports which are exported into Power BI service. So here you can see, click on here, analyze Excel option is coming. Okay, so when you click on the reports, analyze Excel option will be coming. So you can select this analyze Excel. So it will download the Excel file. Okay, now these reports we can analyze in Excel also, Microsoft Excel also. So you can click it, open. So it will open like a pivot table here. So model is also shown here. So as of now, nothing will be available here. What we need to do is, all of you please focus. So we need to go to the data. So here we need to refresh all. Then only this data will be loaded here. Model will be loaded. Again, when you refresh it, if you are not logged into this Microsoft Power BI service, it will ask for your credentials, your email ID and password. So you need to provide that. Now you can see here. So we have this category. All the data has come here. Okay. So we can have it in filters here like this. So regions. So here like this we can see data. Okay. And here in the analyze, we have a lot of other options, like we can create pivot charts, or we can also have the slicers. Okay. So this is how we can export. Okay, we can analyze from Excel. We can bring the data from a Power BI service into Excel. Is that clear? Okay. Let's have this data. Let's say this is the query name. Okay. Now what we have is here the column headers are not taken. Okay. So let us use first row as the column header. Okay. Now you can see data types. Okay, A, B, C. Now here let's go to transform. And are you able to see pivot column? Now we'll select this column. Okay. And let us pivot the data. Now what we'll do is before pivoting, let me just copy this or duplicate this. Okay. So this is, let me rename before. This one. After, okay. So here, let us do pivot. Okay, let us select this column and pivot column. Now values are in which column? Values means numbers. Now are you able to see? Okay, actually we have done city wise. Just let me. Okay, now you see all the marks of city A. They have been listed here 1790. Are you getting? Or you can better just a minute. Yeah, let us edit. Or we can remove this column. Okay. Okay. Now here let us do pivoting. So before pivot, it is like this: A, B, A, C, D. Okay. Now after pivot, let us see how it transforms. Okay. Let us pivot on name column. This is for marks. Values column will be marks. Okay. Now, are you able to see after pivoting what happened? For A, it has become 160, right? So A here has 90 marks and another 70 marks. So after pivoting, what happened? They got pivoted around the name, column name. Okay. So here A has occurred twice. So all the marks of A got added.